Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your YouTube. Now firstly I'm going to show you on the browser, then I'm going to show you on the application. So open a browser and as you can see I'm already on my YouTube. Now to enable the dark mode all you have to do is click on the profile option over here. Then over here you will have the option of appearance. Click on that and in this you will have two options, light theme and dark theme. Now it will also have use device theme. So what I would say is just simply choose any one of them over here. So if you want dark theme, just simply choose that. You can also do that by going to the light theme over here. As you can see, the theme have changed. Now this is how to do it on your browser. Now let me show you how to do this on your application. Now once you're on your YouTube application, go to the profile option at the bottom right. Then go to the gear option at the top right corner and now go to the general option. And over here you will have an option of appearance. Click on that. And now right over here you will have your light theme and dark theme option. So choose light theme if you want to change it. Now after that you will find the theme have changed as you can see right over here. So that's it and thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.